estate is the right investment opportunity right now, there are two aspects to this. One is definitely the market conditions, right? So currently what you see, they are very conducive market conditions for real estate, with the stamp duty rate going down to 2%, home loans being at quite a low rate of 7% right now. Those are two very strong market driving points for real estate. Apart from that, there are a lot of project driven points as well, as I would like to say. The pricing for a lot of projects is at a very lucrative price for customers, along with the payment plans also being very lucrative right now for home buyers. So with all of this put together, the market condition really drives real estate as a lucrative investment opportunity for home buyers. So it's a matter of demand and supply, right? If you take in any example, if you take about 100 200 units, and if any developer at a launch stage has a launch and sells about 30 to 40 units, or even 50 units at that point, then they are at a then those 30 to 40 units is very important for the developer, because he is looking at it from a cash flow perspective, at least at an early stage. And hence, when he is looking at those units early on, they try to offer the best pricing possible for the consumer. After the developer has achieved some of their base targets, then of course the pricing in the market is slowly going to be driven up for any project, which at least whichever project is with a good and sound developer, the project is going to come to life in 2 to 3 years, and slowly the pricing will be driven up. So at that base price is the correct stage for any real estate opportunity.
Yes, thank you so much, Ayushi. You are completely right, because 2 days back we got a news stamp duty is reduced, and which is 3% and 2% for some areas, and loan interest rate is already reduced, which is just 6 to 7 years back. This interest was there. So if you can highlight, because currently we are in unlock stage, right? And we all over world is suffering from COVID-19 situation. Yes, this is the right time. This is you are completely right. If you can highlight how real estate industry is responding, and if we compare real estate investment with other investment sources like gold, equity, mutual funds, then why real estate is always a better choice than other sources of investment? Then definitely your views on this will help to all our customers to choose the right product at right time.
Sure. So, real estate, as a matter of fact, is a physical asset, right? You live it, you breathe it, you interact with it daily. So, what you invest in real estate, you get the benefits on a daily basis because you're interacting with that asset class. Other than that, there are a lot of financial benefits as well of real estate. Real estate is one of the asset classes that experiences appreciation with time. Land is a scarce resource, especially in a city like Bombay. Land is limited. In that, good land is further limited. So appreciation is going to happen, over time. It over whatever few years. Real estate is one of the strongest asset classes that has seen appreciation. Next, there are, of course, a lot of taxation benefits and taxation advantages also that benefit the real estate industry, in terms of when you're looking at buying a home. And compared to stocks or gold or any of the other traditional asset classes, it is considered less volatile. If you look at market driven reports, it is less volatile, and hence, compared to the other traditional asset classes, real estate has been performing quite well in the market as a source of investment for customers.
Yes, completely right. And I also want to add one or two points why real estate is always a better choice than other sources. If we compare with other sources of investment, rightly said by Ayushi, uh, only real estate is a sector who is contributing 70% in Indian economy. Why this is 70%? Because every sector is linked with real estate. If I talk about gold, mutual fund, this type of investment is only contributing 10%. If we see the current situation, uh, equity market, share market is completely crashed, and we are not sure, this money can be zero at any time. But in real estate, we always get consistent dividend in terms of rent. So that's the reason real estate is always right choice to invest, and for end use also. ये एक ऐसा assets है, because this is the basic need for everyone. If we talk about basic need, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, घर एक ऐसी चीज है जिसका जो डिमांड है वो कभी भी खत्म होने वाला नहीं है. So that's the reason real estate is always on high demand. So thank you so much, Ayushi, to explain and to share about your views about the opportunity and for the purpose why we all are here. So now I will request to Ashwin to explain about the legacy of Usher Group and what is the opportunity today for all our customers, because the purpose, we all are here to grab the opportunity. So I will request you to start firstly explain about Usher Group, then I will request to explain about the opportunity to all our customers. Yes, Ashwin, hand over to you.
You can share the file, please.
Yes, Ashwin, can you start? Is it screen visible to you?
So, no.
Now visible?
Not really, Mukesh.
Please, just hold on. I'm getting technical error. Screen sharing has failed to start. Please try again later. Just hold on. I'm trying again.
Sure.
Ashwin, can you start it from your end? I will give you access of host because I'm getting some technical error during screen share.
I'll do that. No problem. Thank you.
Just I'm giving access of host. Sorry to all my customers for this technical error. Yes.
So, very good evening to all the customers who have joined us for this live webinar session with Ms. Ayushi Usher. She's the director of Usher Group, and I completely, had fun time knowing about this product, this brand, because they are there in the market since last 20 years now. And one unique thing, which probably when I was going through. One unique thing, Mr. Batra, our found was that there are zero RERA complaints. A developer in the market for 20 years with zero RERA complaint is an amazing.
Ashwin, sorry, I'm interrupting you. You can start sharing screen from your laptop. I have given you access.
Okay.
Can you open the PPT on your laptop and you can start sharing the screen?
Doing that, Mr. Mukesh.
Yes.
So as I was telling you all earlier, customers, I had absolute fun knowing about this project, about this brand, especially the market and the price point at which Usher Group has bought this particular project out in the market. So I was saying कि एक ऐसा developer जिसके RERA पे zero complaints हैं, इनके there are many projects they have delivered. As you can see on the screen, 3.2 million square feet under development, 4 million square feet delivered, right? And more than 2,700 plus happy customers. When I say happy customers, they are actually happy because it speaks volume about, because एक developer को हम जानना चाहते हैं तो पहले हम यही check करते हैं कि क्या ग्रीवियंसेस हैं, कस्टमर के क्या ग्रीवियंसेस रहे हैं, कस्टमर के क्या कंप्लेंट्स कुछ रहे हैं क्या क्वालिटी को लेकर या फिर टाइमलाइन को लेकर कि आपने टाइम पे दिया है नहीं दिया है, ये सारी चीजों को हम देखते हैं। एज अ बायर मैं भी देखूंगा डेफिनेटली, यू नो। बट ये चीज बहुत अच्छी एक उभर के आई है कि इनके जीरो एरर कंप्लेंट्स हैं विथ मोर देन 3000 फैमिलीज हु आर एक्चुअली बॉट द प्रोजेक्ट। आपके स्क्रीन में आप देख सकते हैं Usher IT Park, a landmark, a true landmark in Thane, which has given employment to so many of people in Thane, right? Is being built by Usher Group only. I mean, they have numerous awards over a period of time. The iconic super luxury project, most promising brand. I think iconic trusted developer goes hand in hand with the brand name Usher Group because people have trusted this brand and they have invested in this. They're staying in this and they're loving it. That's how I would like to put it across. Moving forward, some of these iconic projects, as I was telling you earlier, Usher Monarch is a fantastic luxury project in Pokhran number 2 in Thane. Usher Residency, you have Usher 16, Millennia IT Park, and Billabong School. It's a truly a world-class international school built by Usher Group in Thane West for all our customers. So just going ahead, so about this project, let me give you an idea. So ये project customers ये आपके मुलुंड वेस्ट में है, वैशाली नगर में है, 31 स्टोरी की टावर है। ए विंग हमारा ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट हो चुका है, लोग वहां पे रहने आ चुके हैं। बी विंग हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं विच इज कॉल्ड एज अशर मेपल। एकदम डायनामिक लोकेलिटी है। दिस इज वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू एलबीएस रोड, वेरी क्लोज टू आरमॉल। वागले एस्टेट से आप आते हैं टुवर्ड्स मुलुंड, आरमॉल से काफी करीब है, राइट? Very strong connectivity that I was telling, and you have all these things. So we have 1 and 2 BHK urban suites. हम इसको urban suites इसीलिए बोलते हैं, इसके पीछे एक रीजन है कि आज एक अर्बन फैमिली जो मुलुंड में या मुंबई में रहना चाहती है, उसके कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होते हैं कि कनेक्टिविटी बहुत बढ़िया हो, फिर भी एयर पोल्यूशन नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत अच्छा व्यू होना चाहिए। मुंबई जैसे शहर में ये सारी चीजें शायद एक साथ मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है कि आपको व्यू मिलता है तो प्राइस नहीं मिलता है, प्राइस मिलता है तो फिर शायद आपको एक अच्छा गेटेड कम्युनिटी नहीं मिलता है, सारी फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलती है, कंजेशन होता है, या प्योर व्यू एक एयर नहीं मिलती है, पोल्यूशन बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत सारी गाड़ियां हैं मुंबई में। ये सारी चीजें लोग मिस करते हैं जनरली। तो अर्बन फैमिली को ये चाहिए कि ये सारी चीजें जगह पर हो, एंड आई एम रियली रियली ग्लैड एंड हैप्पी टू अनाउंस that Usher Maple is truly that project which is very close to Yogi Hills, at the same time very close to your LBS road as well, off the highway as well. So you have all the things. I mean, for a family we have many luxury designs and a lifestyle I'm talking about. So on your screen अगर आप देख रहे हैं Usher Maple का project location, Billabong School जो कि Usher ने ही बनाया है, there's an Usher estate, right? You have an R Mall right here, hardly I will say 700 to 800 meters पे है। तो बेसिक नेसेसरी जो चीजें एक अर्बन फैमिली को चाहिए, दैट इज योर स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल, एसेंशियल्स हैं ये सारे आज की डेट में। स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, आपके ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स, ये सारा कुछ आपके पास है। डी मार्ट, फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल, यू हैव अ जिम, यू हैव अ प्लैटिनम हॉस्पिटल नियर बाय। सो आप देख रहे हैं एक अर्बन फैमिली को जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो सारी चीजें इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट में उपलब्ध है। तो मैं जरूर चाहूंगा कि आप लोग डेफिनेटली एक बार विजिट करें, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई में ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट जो हिल के पास भी हो, रोड के भी पास हो और कनेक्टिविटी भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है, ऐसा बहुत कम ही शायद प्रोजेक्ट आपको देखने मिलेगा मेरे हिसाब से। We have 3 level of amenities. The first thing is a podium where 12,000 square feet of all the things that you see on your screen, senior citizen corner से लेके net cricket, turf, volleyball. So basically सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ, एक फैमिली अगर है तो फैमिली में कुछ बड़ों के लिए भी है, कुछ छोटे बच्चों के लिए। आई फील हमारे जैसे एज ग्रुप के लोग तो ज्यादा बिजी होते हैं काम करने में, हमें शायद एंजॉय करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता। बट व्हाई वी वांट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन अ प्रोजेक्ट, बिकॉज हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे माँ बाप या हमारे बच्चे एटलीस्ट इनको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। जब हम काम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं, एक फैमिली के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं। सो वी वांट देम टू हैव अ वंडरफुल लाइफ विद ऑल द फैसिलिटी एंड एमिनिटी। सो ये चीजें इसलिए हमें देखना चाहिए कि प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर क्या है मिल रहा है, ताकि आपके बच्चों के लिए भी कुछ हो, आपके घर में अगर कोई बूढ़े बड़े हैं तो उनके लिए भी कुछ हो। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, स्काई हाई, मतलब आप सनसेट का एक प्रॉपर व्यू यहाँ से ले सकते हैं। आप अगर देखते हैं योगी हिल्स का बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू प्रोजेक्ट से है, बिल्कुल माउंटेन से लगकर प्रोजेक्ट है ये। बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट का व्यू यहाँ से मिलता है हमारे रूफटॉप एमिनिटी में, जहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्सोलॉजी पाथ, मेडिटेशन, योगा डेक। आई थिंक पीपल हैव बिकम मोर हेल्थ कॉन्शियस and you all definitely need that space in the project. आपको ये जरूर देखना चाहिए कि प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर मेरे हेल्थ के लिए ऐसा कुछ सुविधा है, कुछ फैसिलिटी है जिससे कि I can keep myself busy and do my exercises on time. And then you have the Casa Viva, wherein you have a banquet hall, you have a jacuzzi, swimming pool, gymnasium, outdoor kids pool. So 3 लेवल की एमिनिटी है पोडियम में, ग्राउंड पर, ऑन टॉप, रूफ टॉप भी है. तो एमिनिटी से हमें ये आप देखिए, आपके सामने आपके स्क्रीन पर आप देख रहे हैं एक्चुअल व्यू जो 30th फ्लोर से आपको मिल रहा है. मैं तो कहता हूं मैं 15 फ्लोर से भी लेता हूं तो भी यही व्यू है, बिकॉज मेरे प्रोजेक्ट के सामने यहाँ पे कोई ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन एज सच नहीं है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू टेकन एट काइंड ऑफ in the evening time, very very wonderful. आपके लेफ्ट में अगर आप देखते हैं स्क्रीन पे, वहां पे साइप्रस है, very famous landmark project in Mulund. Another landmark that we are currently talking about, I'm sure this is one of the bigger landmark in Mulund, that is Usher Maple, जहां पे सारी सुविधा आपके हिसाब से है. Again, अभी हम जब एमिनिटी हमें पसंद आ जाती है, हमें लोकेशन पसंद आ जाती है. तीसरा प्रॉब्लम तब आता है जब घर के अंदर की चीजें खराब होना शुरू हो जाती है. घर के अंदर लीकेज, सीपेज, प्लम्बिंग इश्यूज, अच्छी क्वालिटी का सामान नहीं लगाने से बहुत तकलीफ होती है फ्यूचर में, जहाँ पे हमारा खर्चा बढ़ता रहता है. बिल्डर तो बोलता है कि भाई आपका तो मेंटेनेंस बहुत कम है, लेकिन होता क्या है, मेंटेनेंस में हम इतना खर्चा कर देते हैं ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 4-5 years while staying in that particular flat that we never thought while buying that flat. हमें देखना चाहिए कि क्या वो फैसिलिटी दे रहा है, इंटरनल एमिनिटी अच्छी क्वालिटी की दे रहा नहीं दे रहा है. तो आपके स्क्रीन पे आप देखते हैं तो ये सारी चीजें हम दे रहे हैं. Usher Group is giving each and every aspect, the top quality things that you'll find in under construction property right now. Correct? So urban suites के बारे में आपसे मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ, 1 and 2 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स. एक छोटा वीडियो हम देख लेंगे. मुकेश जी, are you fine with it? I want all customers to at least have a look at what exactly we are making here. आपके स्क्रीन पे आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो. So thank you, Mukesh ji. Thank you all customers for patiently watching this video. I hope आपने आपको समझा होगा कि exactly what we are trying to offer you in MMR region in Mulund West, Vaishali Nagar, which is going to be a masterpiece in true sense. The kind of construction, internal amenities, external amenities, and the kind of things we are giving. So we are giving everything. But एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सवाल ये होता है कि इन ये सारी अच्छी चीजें मिल रही होती है तो फिर महंगा होता है फिर या फिर उसके अंदर बहुत सारे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन होते हैं मैं चाहूंगा कि आई एम हैप्पी टू अनाउंस राइट नाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्राइसिंग वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग यू और हम बात करेंगे ऑल इंक्लूसिव प्राइसिंग पे 1 BHK, so we have 1 BHK apartments and we have 2 BHK urban suites. So let us see what kind of pricing and how exciting it is. So Mukesh ji, I hope we can move forward. So on your screen, customers, I'm very happy to announce that we have a 1 BHK configuration, 424 कारपेट से लेकर 469 कारपेट तक का एरिया आपको मिलता है. एक proper regular 1 BHK apartment with a fantastic layout. I request once again, कल संडे है, अगर आपके पास समय है तो डेफिनेटली विजिट करिए इस प्रोजेक्ट को. आपको बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफर्स मिलेगा. एट द सेम टाइम बत्रा जी मुझसे हम बात कर रहे थे तो बत्रा जी पूछ रहे थे कि व्हाट इज इंसेंटिव ऑफ पीपल हु आर कमिंग ऑन दिस वेबिनार. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू अनाउंस कि आप लोग अगर आते हैं कल हमारे साइट पे, आई कैन अश्योर यू अ बेनिफिट ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीस मोर on whatever price that you're seeing on the screen. Now this is the maximum benefit that we're offering. At the same time, so you can see on the screen 86 lakhs all inclusive price hai iska. Some of the customers are raising hand asking me some questions. Be patient for 2 more minutes. Let me complete this and I'll try to answer you all. आपके स्क्रीन पे आप देख रहे हैं 1 BHK प्रॉपर साइज 1 BHK 424 469 का जो एरिया है 86 lakhs all inclusive. बुकिंग अमाउंट इज 50,000. 2 BHK प्राइसिंग 524 कारपेट 1 करोड़ 8 लाख में है और 1 करोड़ 15 लाख के बीच में आपको एक डिसेंट साइज 2 BHK यहाँ मिल रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव 683 कारपेट आल्सो एट 1.39 CR स्टार्टिंग. मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ इस प्राइस को लेकर. मैं एक्साइटेड इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज जहां तक मैं शायद आज से 4-5 साल पहले भी मैंने अगर कोशिश की थी मुलुंड में इंक्वायरी करने की रियल एस्टेट में, जब मैं देख रहा था अगर मेरी वाइफ के साथ, तो आई थिंक वो टाइम पर भी ये प्राइस मुझे कहीं दिखा नहीं था. वेरी ऑनेस्टली 4-5 साल पहले भी ये प्राइस तो मुझे कहीं नहीं दिखा था. तो मैं खुशी हो रही है कि एटलीस्ट कोई डेवलपर है जो मार्केट में ऐसे प्राइस में आज की डेट में ऑफर कर रहा है. अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट, बहुत ही सुपर क्वालिटी, fantastic location with such a beautiful pricing, such an affordable pricing. That's what I'm thinking. Because मुलुंड जैसे मार्केट में जनरली यही सुनने मिलता है कि अश्विन जी अगर if you want a 1 BHK then 1 करोड़ 10 के नीचे तो नहीं मिलेगा, 1 करोड़ के नीचे नहीं मिलेगा नया प्रोजेक्ट में अच्छी एमिनिटीज के साथ. बहुत मुश्किल है, ब्रांड है बहुत है. तो people do claim we are a good brand and we are a great project, but they make it so much unaffordable. आज हम चाहते हैं कि हमें एक अफोर्डेबिलिटी का भी फैक्टर मिले, लेकिन एक अर्बन फैमिली को तो यही चाहिए कि उसके लिए वो सैलराइड होता है. एक अर्बन फैमिली इज अ सैलराइड इनकम होती है, डबल इनकम सैलरी होती है, हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों काम कर रहे होते हैं. तो उनको चाहिए कि बॉस हमारे बजट में कुछ ऐसा मिले और मुंबई में मिले, बिकॉज पीपल डू वांट टू स्टे इन मुंबई, राइट? एंड Mulund is a fantastic location. I mean, the kind of development that this particular locality has seen is unparalleled in the last 1 decade, I can tell you. So I think these are prices. I mean, it's amazing. आप definitely visit करना. I'm sure we can make it more exciting for you with the payment plans and the all-inclusive pricing that you see on the screen. I'm really happy and glad. And I thank Mr. Batra to giving us this opportunity today. All right. So
yes, thank you so much, Mr. Ashwin. To sharing about the opportunity and the price. Price is really very lucrative. If we see the price of Thane Majivada location, and it's completely equal to Mulund location. Ideally, Mulund is always 30-40% up from the Thane market. So thank you so much to sharing the opportunity. So we already received couple of questions from our customers, and customers are showing interest. So if you can reply, so
I'll go one by one.
Yes.
So Khosla ji पूछ रहे हैं when is the possession? The possession is RERA possession is 2024 December. while definitely our work ये buffer के साथ होता है, तो ये हमारा काम इसके पहले काफी पहले खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yes.
So we are looking.
And one more question is coming from Mr. Dheeraj. He's from Dubai. So he's asking, what is the location advantage of this project?
See, location advantage काफी है because LB जो कि सबसे nodal point है जो connect करता है various cities को. So this is a location which is close to Thane, yet in Mulund. At the same time, very close to Amol, very close to the LBS road, correct? And हर एक apartment को hill view है यहाँ पर. हर एक apartment, every apartment has a hill view. कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं है, जो कि बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है. क्योंकि आज हम बात करते हैं मुंबई की, तो पहला ध्यान में यही आता है कि बस पोल्यूशन बहुत होगा, आवाजें बहुत आएंगी, हाई डेंस एरिया है, ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन है. ऐसा लोकेशन मिलना बहुत ही कम देखने मिलता है. So I think it's a beautiful location. If you ask me, I think it's pure. The environment is good, pure oxygen, no pollution, hill view property with good ventilation and sunlight. हम जहाँ पे रहते हैं, हमें चाहिए कि हमारे घर में सनलाइट आए, एक फ्रेश एयर आए. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी डोंट वांट टू स्टे इन अ प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ पे सारे सब जगह से ब्लॉकेजेस है, सूर्य की पहली किरण नहीं पड़ रही है घर के अंदर. ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता. आई मीन ऑब्वियसली इफ यू वांट टू स्टे देयर फॉर 20-25 इयर्स, यू वांट योर किड्स टू ग्रो इन दैट प्रॉपर्टी. तो ये चीज देखनी होती है पहले. And I'm happy to announce that this particular product has those things. So it's a wonderful location.
Okay. So one more question is coming. If you can explain about the payment plans. If any customer want to book, so what is the payment plan?
See, currently, Batra ji, we have a payment plan which is linked to the construction linked. So जैसे construction होती है, आपको वैसे वैसे demand आता है. Plinth पे certain percentage होती है. फिर आपका first flap, second flap, 31 stories का tower है. जैसे हमारा slab बढ़ेगा, वैसे वैसे payment का demand आएगा. But if someone has a requirement and wants to have a bit deferred payment option, we are happy to discuss that at side. We also understand in the pandemic period में लोगों का थोड़ा finances जो है थोड़े हो सकता है कि बाद में थोड़ा ज्यादा आए, आज की डेट में कम आए. There are across companies happening. So we understand that and we are very happy to discuss a case by case basis where जहां हम customer की understanding लेंगे and definitely हम उनसे discuss करके जितना best possible रहेगा उतना timeline भी हम उनको देने को ready हैं. मैं चाहूंगा कि ऐसे customers आप please आइए site पर एक बार. We are very happy to discuss the same with you.
Yes. And next question is coming from Mr. Ahmed Patel. He's asking, what is the current stage of the construction right now?
The current state, Mr. Patel, as I said, Tower A is sold out. People are staying. Tower B we have started. अभी excavation का काम हो गया है. We'll be completing the plinth very soon in a month or two. So yeah, the work is in full flow.
Okay. And one more question is coming. As there is what is the distance between highway and highway from our project?
So if I tell you, it's 1.2 kilometer hardly from the highway.
Okay.
Yeah. So main thing, अगर मुलुंड में आप देखते हैं तो ज्यादा LBS रोड आप देखते हैं. I'm not sure वो हाईवे उसको हम बोल सकते हैं because LBS is a road which goes up from Mulund till Vikhroli and ahead. तो वो तो 600 मीटर पे ही है, आपके बगल में ही है बिल्कुल. That way.
Okay. And one more question is coming because there are few customers, they are asking, they want bigger carpet area. Is there an option of Jodi flat in our project?
See, well, we have a bigger 2 BHK apartment. In fact, we have a 683 carpet. We have a 683 carpet. अगर आपको जोड़ी करना है तो आप 683 plus 683 कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. We can go as big as 1400 square feet if a customer requires that. We have no problem. We have that option. But किसी को अगर बड़ा 2 BHK चाहिए, see, I mean, 2 BHK carpet sizes, if I tell you about, we have something which is 555, 556, and we have something which is 683 also. So we have all types of apartment sizes with us. The reason being, कुछ न्यूक्लियर कॉम्पैक्ट फैमिलीज हैं जिनका रिक्वायरमेंट है कि हमें एक एक्स्ट्रा रूम की जरूरत है, yet not paying that bigger amount. But we understand we do have an option of bigger 2 BHK apartments also. Definitely visit the site and we'll give you more information on that.
Great. And one more question is coming from Mr. Amar Said, and he's asking if they book now, can they do the registration before December 2020? Stamp duty.
Yes, absolutely. 100%. You can do it right away also, sir. if you want to do the stamp duty, it's a fantastic time, no doubt. I mean, एक time हम बात कर रहे थे कि 12% GST होता था और 7% stamp duty registration होता था, 19% customer had to bear. Believe me, that was one time. We have seen that time like not very long ago, 2 years back. 2-2.5 साल पहले हम ये समय देख चुके हैं. It is a blessing in disguise. I mean, come on, real estate sector में 2% पे आप register कर रहे हैं. Right, so all these benefits are there. I'm तो absolutely happy. Customers अगर आते हैं register करना चाह रहे हैं, इसी महीने करें, next महीने करें, they are happy to do that. People can do the registration immediately also.
Okay. And next question is coming from Mr. Vipul side, and he's asking which technology we are using in construction. Are we using Maivan technology or other technology to develop this construction? Ashwin, am I audible?
Can you please repeat?
Yeah, Mr. Vipul is asking which technology we are using in constructions, like Maivan technology, other technology. Which technology?
So we are using we are doing the traditional concept here. At the same time, it is so. Are you talking about technology of this project, right? The construction technology.
Technology.
So yeah. So we are using a Maivan construction. So Maivan is basically जहाँ पे आपका बहुत fast होता है. The faster rate of construction होती है उसमें. Maivan, MIVAN, you all can Google it. You can get to know more about the same. So we are definitely using a Maivan construction here. It's a top-notch construction technology that accepted by bigger brands in real estate. So we are going with the Maivan technology in this project.
Okay. And one more question is coming. And how many towers we are developing and what type of amenities we are giving?
See, as I mentioned, we have this area of 2.5 to 3 acres in this particular project, and we have already built up many 2-3 towers earlier. A wing जो हमने already sell कर दिया. इस particular project की बात करूँ तो A wing हमने sell कर दिया है, sold out है. B wing सर हम लोग B tower बना रहे हैं, जिसमें 31 story का tower है पूरा, जिससे 1 and 2 BHK options हमारे पास available हैं अभी. That way. And amenities जैसे हमने देखा 3 level. There are amenities at the podium level, there are amenities at the rooftop level, and there are amenities at the clubhouse level, which is the ground. जहाँ पे banquet है, podium में आपके बच्चों के लिए, बड़ों के लिए, खेलने के लिए, बैठने के लिए जगह है, lot of amenities, cricket, netball, cricket, बहुत सारे हैं. आप rooftop जाते हैं तो you can enjoy the sunset view from there, meditation, yoga deck, exercise आप कर सकते हैं. So we have something for everyone. That is how we have built up this particular project.
Okay. Great. And one more question is coming from Mr. Bhavesh side, and he's asking, after delivering the projection, who is going to maintain the amenities in future?
So very subjective, because जो आजकल trend generally it is because possession हो जाती है, society formation हो जाता है, people do opt for to give it a facility management firm. I mean, good societies do that. We also work for the same because एक organized way में चलता है पूरा project. Amenities अच्छे से maintain हो जाती है, आपके सारे जो construction etc. ये सारा अच्छा होता है, तो you always suggest, because once society is formed, we are not in a position to kind of tell them what to do, but we do suggest that, yes.
And most of the customers are asking about internal amenities of the flat.
So internal amenities, I mean, these are best of the best internal amenities that you can get in terms of the quality, etc. Everything is there. To more in detail, probably I would request, I mean, if you can just visit our site once, so we can discuss about the internal amenity. But yes, no white goods or fully furnished option हम नहीं दे रहे. हम आपको एक under construction property यहाँ बना के दे रहे हैं. Is my answer to this question.
Okay. And how many parkings we are giving in 2 BHK? Are we giving parkings in 1 BHK and 2 BHK?
We are giving one parking in 2 BHK. If somebody requires more, we can definitely discuss that.
Okay, so one parking is with 1 BHK and 2 BHK.
Parking हर कोई भी आप फ्लैट लेते हैं 1 BHK 2 BHK सब में पार्किंग इंक्लूड है. आपने जो प्राइस देखा आपके स्क्रीन पे 1 BHK 86 lakhs में, उसमें भी पार्किंग है.
Okay.
So all pricing that you saw on your screen are including the parking charges.
So price is all inclusive, which you shown to all our customers.
All inclusive pricing जो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया, उसके अंदर आपकी गवर्नमेंट टैक्सेस भी आ जाते हैं, स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, रजिस्ट्रेशन, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. So obviously it's a very beneficial situation right now to enter into a relationship and become part of our project with a very attractive offers right now.
Okay, so there are few customers who joined late and they are asking about the possession of the project. So I will request you to again explain when we are going to deliver this project.
Certainly. तो ये कस्टमर्स आपको मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि पोजीशन हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का 2024 दिसंबर है, जो कि रेरा में हमने अपडेट किया है. बीइंग डेवलपर हम वहां पे बफर रखते हैं, अनदर 6 मंथ्स बफर है. वी आर प्रीटी श्योर हम उसके काफी पहले ये प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर आपको कर देंगे. आवर इंटरनल टाइमलाइंस आर, अगर मैं ऑब्वियसली मैं कोट नहीं करना चाहूंगा, बट आई एम प्लानिंग टू गिव इट ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर बैक, ईयर बिफोर द डिसाइडेड टाइमलाइन.
Okay, so and
अभी तक अगर लीगेसी आप देखते हैं, किसी को पूछते हैं मार्केट में, आई बिलीव अशर ग्रुप के बारे में, ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट्स आर डिलीवर्ड बिफोर टाइम ओनली. आई मीन इवन सम ऑफ दीस प्रोजेक्ट्स इन थाने व्हिच स्टार्टेड 1.5 years बैक, ऑलरेडी उसके 20-25 लाख कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. और बगल के जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे लॉन्च हुए थे उनका सारा काम, इट्स ऑलवेज नोन फॉर इट्स फास्टर रेट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन. दैट इज वन थिंग आई कैन अश्योर यू.
and if I am not wrong, Asher is only one developer जिनका अब तक 0 कंप्लेंट है रेरा में.
100%. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है. अभी आप मार्केट में जाते हैं, यू ट्राई टू नो मोर अबाउट अ डेवलपर ब्रांड. हम क्यों जानना चाहते हैं? हम इसलिए जानना चाहते हैं कि बॉस इस डेवलपर के नाम पे कोई कंप्लेंट ना हो, इसकी अच्छी रेप्यूटेशन हो मार्केट में, अच्छी प्रोडक्ट देने की. ये सारी चीजें आपको अशर ग्रुप में मिलती हैं. बिकॉज 0 रेरा कंप्लेंट होना, बिकॉज देखिए, it could be anything, it could be any grievances that customer might have faced, but to have a 0 complaint, either उनका जो भी क्वेरी है, उनका जो इशू है, वो सॉर्ट आउट हो जाता है, या फिर उनको वो है ही नहीं. इसका 2 ही संकेत है. तो या इज द ओनली डेवलपर, आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फ्यू डेवलपर्स, आई वुड रादर पुट अक्रॉस माय पॉइंट लाइक दैट, वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू डेवलपर्स जिसका 0 रेरा कंप्लेंट है. सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग प्लस पॉइंट फॉर अस, फॉर कस्टमर्स, फॉर एवरीवन.
Okay. And one more question is coming from Mr. Suresh. He's asking, what is, sorry, just again, it's scrolling down. Mr. Suresh is asking, what is the carpet area? If you can explain again, what is the carpet area of 1 BHK and 2 BHK?
No, the carpet area is 424 for a 1 BHK apartment, 424 रेरा carpet, 424, 466 and 469. तो बड़ा 1 BHK अगर किसी को चाहिए तो 469 का भी एरिया हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. 2 BHK में 524 से हमारा एरिया स्टार्ट होता है. सबसे बड़ा 2 BHK 683 का है. ये हम रेड कार्पेट की बात कर रहे हैं.
And Mr. Amar Patra is asking, because अभी stamp duty की news we got only 2 days back, so this new revision is applicable in our project. Revised stamp duty is applicable.
जो आपने स्क्रीन पर देखा, ये रिवाइज करके ही ये प्राइस पे हमने अराइव किया है. The revised prices that you see.
It is including stamp duty.
Whatever the, देखो वो तो गवर्नमेंट, जो तो गवर्नमेंट टैक्सेस है, गवर्नमेंट अगर उसको 0 करती तो हमें भी 0 करना ही पड़ेगा. And all that benefit is passed on to the customer. So that is pretty understandable. That.
So the price which you have shown is completely including all inclusive stamp duty, registration and
registration, right? everything, okay. Car park, etc. Yeah.
Okay. So Mr. Sanjeev is asking, 1 BHK Jodi is possible? Yes, this is possible. We already replied. And again, I'm scrolling all questions. We should.
I can see Mr. Patra asking, what is the rental yield for a 1 BHK and 2 BHK? I can see it on the screen.
Yeah. What is the name of customer who is asking?
Mr. Amar Patra, is it?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Amar Patra. What rent they can expect for 1 BHK and 2 BHK?
See, rental yield of Mulund market has always been on the higher side compared to Thana market or any other market. Mulund हमेशा एक कमांड करता है प्राइस रेंटल में या कमर्शियल में. आप देखेंगे तो हायर प्राइस ही कमांड करता है. 1 BHK साधारण यहाँ पर आप देखते हैं तो anywhere between 18 to 25,000 का रेंटल यील्ड ऑलरेडी है इस जगह पर. 2 BHK अगेन कैन गो बिट फारर, जो वहाँ पे 30,000 के बीच में आपका रेंटल यील्ड है. So we definitely see the rental yield increasing because in the near future, because जैसे obviously the kind of traction that Mulund market is seeing now is amazing. There is not a single brand who are not there. आप real estate की बात करें तो हर एक बड़ा डेवलपर एक स्टार्ट किया है, and it is a very viable kind of a location जहाँ से हर चीज आपको accessible है, and it's a Mumbai address again, so that's a very positive point.
Yes, Mr. Naina is asking, is sample flat is ready?
नैना जी सैंपल फ्लैट अभी हमारा रेडी नहीं है बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली कम टू द साइट आवर टावर इज रेडी. आप अगर देखना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द इंटरनल एमिनिटीज द टावर एक्सेट्रा, वहां पे लोग भी रहते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, मोर देन वेलकम टू आवर साइट. वी आर हैप्पी टू शो यू एवरीथिंग.
Okay, almost we replied all questions. If anything, I am skipping. Ashwin, you can check from your end also, and I am also checking. If anyone want to ask more questions, we are ready to reply. And I want to explain the procedure. After this webinar, our sales team member will connect with you for aligning the meeting. If you are interested, if you want to discuss one-to-one meeting before coming at the site, we are giving online Zoom presentations. You can join with your family members. You can reply. You can note down my email ID. My email ID is mukesh@houseseekers.in, and you can reply. You can WhatsApp on the number from which you got the invitation. You can reply on the email ID from which you got the confirmation mail for joining this webinar. We will start aligning your meeting.
I think one question I think I'd like to answer. Mr. Apurva had asked me one question ki, what is the construction quality that we're using? So Apurva ji, I answered the traditional for the earlier projects that we have delivered in the same. I mean, Aving, Weaving and Baki V project हमने वहाँ पे बनाया है. So I thought Mr. Mukesh asked me that question. But yes, it is a My1 construction we are using. So My1 अगर आप check करना चाहते हैं, it's a latest advanced technology which is faster, which ensures there is zero leakage or मिनिमलिस्टिक आपका मेंटेनेंस हो प्रोजेक्ट का. माइवन के अंदर पूरा स्लैब आपका बैठता है. इट इज फास्ट एट द सेम टाइम. इसमें लीकेजेस सीपेजेस के आपके इशू नहीं आते. प्रोजेक्ट की जो लिवेबिलिटी है, आज बीएमसी जो है रीडेवलपमेंट अलाउ करता है 25-30 इयर्स के बाद. फॉर एग्जांपल, उसका रीजन ये था कि पहले के कंस्ट्रक्शन में उतना ज्यादा उसका लाइफ स्पैन नहीं होता था, जबकि आज के प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो माइवन की होती है 40-45 इयर्स का तो सर्टिफिकेट ही आपको मिल जाता है एज आर्किटेक्ट से. सो ये माइवन कंस्ट्रक्शन हम यूज कर रहे हैं अपूर्वा जी.
So great. And one more question is coming. And is there any floor rise available, if any, and how many floors we are developing in a tower? If they want to move to a higher floor, is there floor rise available? Yeah, price is same for all floors.
फ्लोर राइज नहीं है बट वी हैव अ बैंड प्राइसिंग. अगर आप 1 to 6 में लेते हैं या 7 to 12 में लेते हैं या उसके आगे लेते हैं तो बैंड वाइज प्राइसिंग हमारी है. बट वी आर हैप्पी टू डिस्कस. आई मीन आप डेफिनेटली विजिट करिए. वी कैन गिव मोर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन दैट. फ्लोर राइज, हर फ्लोर पे राइज नहीं है. वी हैव अ बैंड प्राइसिंग.
Yes. So price, if we are choosing any floor between same band, the price will be same.
Within same band, price will be the same. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So for example, if there is a one band like for 1 to 4 floor, yeah, 1 to 6 floor. So if we are choosing first floor, second, third, fourth, fifth, yeah, sixth, price.
The price remains the same within a band. Yes.
So this is the meaning of band, right?
Correct. Correct.
Great. Yes, Mr. Bhimrao is asking, this is all in price. Yes, this is the all in price. And Mr. Amar is asking, is any monorail or metro station close by to our project?
Yeah, so if you all know Mulund Chekna metro station.
Okay, great.
800 meters.
So Mr. Divyesh is asking.
So Metro 4 is passing through LBS, right? So this is right bang opposite to the LBS. The entire project is there. So you have a metro connectivity at Mulund Chekna station.
And one more question is
10 minutes, no hardly.
Coming RERA dates can be changed in future. This is completely depend on the government. Because if I share my experience as a consultant, if we see all the projects of Usher Group in Thane, Usher has delivered before the deadline. And Usher ही एक ऐसा डेवलपर है जिनका आज तक कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं आया है रेरा में. So this is the you can trust on this group. So definitely you can the dream home which you are looking, this group can fulfill your requirement. So if you are looking opportunity for Mulund location, and this is the pre-launch price, and this is very lucrative price. Stamp duty already reduced. अगर आप clearly it is mentioned on the newspaper, and it is highlighting on every news channel. This amount of stamp duty is only applicable till December. So after December, 1% will increase on stamp duty. Right, Ashwin? Yes. So thank you so much, Ashwin and Ayushi, for giving your time and about the opportunity to all our customers. Thanks again, Ashwin and Ayushi. So again, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Batra, for having us.
Yes, and thank you so much to all my customers for giving your precious time to understand about the opportunity. So after this webinar, you can reply on the WhatsApp number from which you got the notifications of reminders, and you can also reply on the email IDs for one-to-one discussions. Our sales team can assist to align your site visits. So because directly site visits are not allowed, so you have to give confirmations before coming, because we have to keep social distancing at the site. And so we want to drive each and everything in very smoothly manner, and we want to take care of all our customers. So if anything related to process, Ashwin, if you want to add, you can also add.
I think I like to thank all the customers here who have come, taken their precious time, and learning more about this opportunity. And thank you, Mr. Batra, for organizing this thing. I think it was a really insightful session. Ayushi, I had a lot of good inputs about how the market is going to respond, and everything is moving positively. So I really thank all the customers who attended today patiently for the last half an hour, 45 minutes. And I request all to please visit the site once on Sunday, that is tomorrow. And as suggested, as shared with you all earlier, we will have that 1 lakh special benefit for customers coming on the webinar. They can definitely come to the site, and we can definitely avail this offer through
Yes,
Seekers.com.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Batra.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm repeating the email ID, support_webinar@houseseekers.in, and mukesh@houseseekers.in, mukesh@houseeekers.in. You can reply on the email ID, and you can also reply on the WhatsApp number for aligning the meetings. Yes, thank you so much, Ashwin.
Thank you, Mukesh ji.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.